Hi, in this video I would like to tell you a few words about differences in performance of websites located in Poland and in websites located in MENA region and how it can affect your bounce rate and basically conversion rate of your campaigns. Okay, so let's find out what's the speed difference of our site done for Jaguar Land Rover in Poland, Finland and UAE. Basically, we have 1.7 seconds in Finland, 1.9 LCP of 75% of our users in Poland, and we have 3.6 in Dubai. It's really huge difference. This difference between 1.7 and 3.6, according to our data and also data shared by Renault for automotive industry, can cause even 10% of difference in bounce rate when you have the campaign. Basically, when you launch the campaign of, let's say, 100,000 euro, big campaign in Dubai and in Poland, 10% means you waste around 10,000 euro more in comparing those websites on those regions. Basically, in UAE, when you have 3.6, a lot of users decide to not wait for the website and move further. 3.6 is average. So a lot of users have the experience of 7 seconds and so on. Some of them have 1 second. So in general, the difference is really big. I would like to explain what are the reasons behind. Okay, first of all is the GDPR. In Europe, we have GDPR policy. So basically, a lot of marketing tags and so on is not being loaded for the website at the first entrance. So basically, your users are able to opt out from analytics, and it causes substantial difference in the website loading time. The second difference are local networks and the local connections and local filters. In general, in the MENA region, you can expect to have some filters between your website server and your user, so it's a bit slower and your network is filtered going to the user, so basically it's a bit slower. The next reason is server location. In general, website connect APIs on the background and have some calculations and so on, which are done on the main servers, not on the CDNs, but basically on the main servers, which can be located in Europe and in different places. I would like to show you the example of AWS. They have launched MENA region server in Bahrain in 2019 and in UAE in 2022. Still keep in mind those servers capabilities and so on are not exactly the same as you can find in Europe or in the US. So basically they cannot handle exactly the same task, events and so on as they are capable to do in European markets. When you consider that, you might not to have everything on those servers. So basically your factory can have an API and so on, and maybe it's not located on those servers. Basically, you think it's a cloud, yeah? As our CTO told recently, the cloud equals someone else's computer. So basically in AWS, you have this cloud located in those Bahrain server or UAE servers. So it's why your users connect to those servers, not exactly to the imagined cloud as you might think. The second difference is underwater cable. Basically, the underwater cables are the backbone of modern internet. So a lot of fiber connection, fast connections are done through those cables. So when you are in the MENA region and your server is in Europe, you have this connection done first by your users from the MENA to Europe, and then the signal has to be sent back. So the distance in, let's say, mileage on kilometers is huge. Okay, the next difference are the CDNs. So you might think, okay, we have the CDN and we do not have that connections. No, you are wrong. Basically, even when you have the connection, the CDN has to, from time to time, request the main servers for the updated version to full the cache on the CDN endpoint. And basically, not everything can be handled by the CDN. Even the biggest CDNs do not cover 100% of the traffic. Let's say on Cloudflare, on our data, basically the Cloudflare handled for us 70% of traffic. So still the 30% of the traffic is done directly to the server located in the MENA region and not to the endpoint which is located in the Dubai exactly. I think it's the main list of differences. So we have covered GDPR, server location, underwater cables, and also hosting. I hope it helped you understand what's the difference and why the website in Poland is substantially faster than the website in UAE. And you understand that each brands have the same situation. So you are not alone in case your website is a bit slower in MENA region or Africa or South America. And when you compare the nominal values in those websites with European one, with US, or with let's say Singapore directly, your website is having different results, and nominal values can be really, really different. Okay, thank you for watching. See you soon on our next video. Bye.